Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a really cool product, as you can tell from the title of the video. So a few weeks ago I traveled back home to Romania to see my family. My brother's girlfriend was planning to go and get another tattoo. She already has a few, which I really like. Because getting a tattoo back in Romania is much cheaper than here in London, I thought that I might get one myself. I thought this would be the perfect time. I just have to finally decide on what I want to get. I already had a few pictures saved on my phone from Pinterest and I just started looking for more. There were quite a few things that I liked. I wanted to get something quite small and hidden. I was going through Pinterest literally for hours. Anyway, long story short, I didn't get a tattoo, and that's when Inkbox popped up on my Instagram and I decided to place an order from them. So these are tattoos that last for 1 to 2 weeks. They are water resistant and these tattoos develop in 24 hours. The application time is between 1 to 2 minutes. As always, I'm going to link their website in the description box for you guys so you can order and check out all the cool styles that they have. Some other things that you can also find on their website: freehand markers, which you can use to create your own tattoos. You can also get custom tattoos. So I am going to open up my package now. Both of them are blue, but they are going to be black, hopefully. So this one is really small. So the flower is 2.2 inches and this leaf is 3.3 inches. I'm just going to read the application process and also some tips that you should know before you apply. Excessive movement or sweating during the 1 hour application time can cause the ink to bleed or smudge. You should avoid placement close to joints and areas of high friction, as the tattoo won't last as long. For areas with hair, shave at least 24 hours prior to applying your tattoo. You should avoid applying to sun damaged skin. Moisturize a few hours before applying your tattoo for best results. And then for the application, the first thing you will have to do is to prep your skin with the primer wipe. So I got 2 of these primer wipes for each of the tattoos. So I will have to exfoliate the area for about 30 seconds and then wait about 60 seconds for it to dry. Okay, so I'm going to start with the flower. I'm so excited to see what it's going to look like tomorrow. So next I will have to peel off the tattoo backing. Place the tattoo on your skin, sticky side down. Once placed, find the easy peel corner and remove the border. And then you just have to press down for a short period of time to make sure that it sticks to your skin properly. Okay, so this is the front and I'm just going to peel off the back. Make sure that you don't remove the whole thing, which is something I almost did. So you just have to find the easy peel corner of the border and only remove the white part. Just press down firmly on it. So after the 60 minutes, you will just have to peel off the applicator. The ink will initially be blue, green, depending on your skin. Avoid showering, sweating and swimming for 6 hours following application. Your tattoo will be blue, black within 24 and 36 hours. Okay, so now I'm just going to do the same thing with the other one. I feel like this one, I'm going to find it quite hard to keep it straight for the next hour. I know it looks blue now, but I think I'm really going to like this one. It's really cute. I think I might have messed this one up a bit just because I don't think it's really straight. But anyway, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like in the next few hours if anything changes. So I am back. I changed into something a bit more comfortable. I'm going to remove the stickers now and I will start with this one on my arm. You can still see the lines from the sticker here, which obviously won't be visible. And now for the big one. I don't think it's going to be straight. That actually doesn't look too bad, so I'm going to show you guys what it looks like hopefully in the morning if I will have time before work. If not, then in the afternoon tomorrow. But so far I'm really happy with them. I think they look so cute, even with this bluish color. I will definitely try some different tattoos from Inkbox in the future for like some special occasions, maybe for a holiday. I think they are so cute, and they have so many different styles to choose from. As I expected, I did mess up one of them a little bit, because in the first hour I didn't really keep it straight enough. I think a little bit of this part is missing. This is a little bit darker as well than this one, but anyway, I think it's cute. This was so much fun to try out. I would definitely recommend trying Inkbox. They have hundreds of different tattoos. There are loads of different styles and sizes to choose from. And as I said, I'm going to link their website and their Instagram in the description box. So that is all for today's video. I hope that you found it useful. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.